4M launches the brand new version of Fine-HVAC 19 standalone software platform. Fine-19 HVAC is a powerful workstation for heating, ventilation and air conditioning design, which automatically performs the necessary calculations directly from the drawings, producing all the case study results. Fine-HVAC combines design and calculations in a fully integrated environment, performing all the required calculations for any HVAC installation. Following the international standards and regulations, Fine-HVAC enables the user to select the applying methodology. In each case, the package utilizes the more advanced techniques and mathematical models for maximum accuracy, speed and reliability. Calculation sheets, technical reports, bill of materials and costing, as well as all the final drawings, plan views, panel diagrams, details, are fully updated in every stage of project lifecycle. Let's watch a quick overview of this software in a simple project. Fine-HVAC combines an AutoCAD-like look and feel and an advanced BIM technology that will help you to draw your project in networks. Drawing the building in 3D with BIM objects is required to calculate the thermal losses and cooling loads, but Fine-HVAC will help you to do it in just a few clicks. When the application starts, the ribbon menu appears. If the user wants to work with the classic menu, makes right-click on the toolbars and selects Go to Menu bar. You can define a new project through the corresponding option in the File menu. In order to load an existing project, which has been created with the program, you choose Select Project. It is given the capability to insert either IFC files or DWG drawings as external references following the W-block procedure. The W-block command allows us to save part of a drawing as a block. When this command is selected, you are prompted to enter the file name, the base point and the path of block file saved. As soon as you select the building definition command, the levels management menu appears. On this screen, the levels of the project building are defined, which means that you have to determine the level, height, elevation, name, and the corresponding architectural drawing of each building floor. Architectural drawing includes all the facilities required to insert building entities, such as walls, columns, openings, etc., as well as heating and cooling design calculation. As it is shown in the corresponding ribbon menu, the various options are divided into subgroups, like definitions, building entities and drawings calculations. Architectural drawing includes all the facilities required to insert building entities, such as walls, columns, openings, etc., as well as updating calculation module and selecting Windows calculation sheet. We can check the data acquired from drawing and get out the thermal load of each space automatically. Then, we can modify structural elements, such as the conductivity of the walls, roofs, floors and openings. In addition, as it is indicated in the Building Parameters tab, the user can specify the calculation method, the location, and more detailed technical data for each calculation method. Calculations are performed automatically in each adjustment of the corresponding parameters. Executing the command, update spaces from thermal losses, the final results update the spaces automatically. On the same way, selecting cooling loads, we can get out, automatically, the cooling space of the building. The calculations can be exported to psychometry in order to extend the calculation model. Based on the analytical psychometric equations, this program carries out the air conditioning unit selection and the air distribution in the air-conditioned spaces. It also provides the psychrometric variation on the psychrometric chart as a result. The corresponding printouts are in compliance with most renowned HVAC techniques. Fine-19, generate the 3D surface for cooling and thermal loads, executing the command cooling or heating surface model. This model simulates the surfaces that will be transferred to calculation module. Building supervision ensures the credibility and readability of the results. Software platform is totally redesigned as to support the third-generation BIM technology, such as the compatibility with latest DWG and IFC file format. At the end, we can get the perspective view of the project if we select View, Visual Styles, Realistic, or the respective icon on the ribbon menu.